Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Cynthia if you're new, and this is the first time I'm filming my video outside of my house, and in a minute you will see why. So you guys will hear the birds chirping because I definitely hear them. You might hear cars coming by or my neighbors. Anyways, I am so angry at how Ulta packaged my box. You guys will definitely see why. And I feel like it's something so simple that a lot of companies can fix when packaging certain things. It's not that hard, but anyways, I just hope that they will send me out a new product for what came damaged, and I will update you guys in a later video for that because, well, yeah, because I'm not calling them right away right now, but yeah, I will update you guys in a later video. But let's just get right into the video so you guys can see why I'm not so happy of how they packaged my order. And I do not even blame it on the carriers this time. I really do blame it on the packaging. Look at my package. Seriously, this is how it came. This is like ridiculous, but we'll see. I'll let you guys see it. All right, friends, we're here out in my garage. I brought it over here because I just set it here next to like my kids' bikes and stuff. I didn't want to bring it in the house because of all this oil that it was leaking, and I didn't even know where to put it. So I just left it out here in the garage. We're gonna go ahead and open it. I'm covering my address, and yeah, let's just open it and see what is causing all this mess. Now, I definitely don't blame all of this on the couriers. I would say it's the way that Ulta bagged this. Just horrible. This right here, I guess I don't even have to return it. I'm not happy with the way everything came. It's all oily. But this, I think maybe it looks like it was this one. See? Like, it looks like a lot of the oil is out of the Tree Hut Tahitian vanilla beans. So you guys had told me when they were having the sale, or could it be that it's this whole thing. Okay, I'm doing that breathing because it makes me angry. Like, how do you just throw this in here? You know, this thing has a thing here where you can squeeze it, and it wasn't even from there that it happened. This is completely practically opened, and they should have just put this in a separate baggie, you know, like one of those Ziploc bags that you yeah, I'm gonna definitely obviously have to call them, but it just angers me that they package things this way. I feel that I know how to I don't even work in this and I know how to package these things way better than they have done here. This is just so messed up. How do they just throw this in here? Like, you have to put things like these, in my opinion, in a little baggie separately. So this is all messy, but I'm not gonna go, you know, exchange all of this stuff. This is just messy on the outside. I'll just clean it with a towel, like a wet towel. And then look at this. This is what these are the two I was excited to get and add to my collection. I think for now I have enough. I'm going to do my Tree Hut collection I was telling you guys about. So that will be coming up, you know, if everything goes well this week. That will be coming up this week. I haven't shown face, friends. Maybe at the end here I'll show you exactly what a mess I look like. But yeah, I just haven't been, I've been really tired this week. And I haven't been, I don't know. It's just one of those weeks. That's all. I'll show you what else is in here. I just had 5 things I had ordered. This is one of those things to clean your brushes and clean like your beauty sponges. I had never tried this one, so I can't attest to this, but I have tried things like this, and I wanted to try the Morphe brand brush cleansing balm. So let's see. I will open these things in a minute so you guys can see the inside, but since I'm using my hand to record unboxing this Ulta box, I am, yeah. So that's the other thing that basically made this box such a mess. Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. I like using this when I straighten my hair, like spraying it after and a little bit before. Sometimes it reduces my frizz a bit, It's not perfect, but my hair is really frizzy, and I love using this sponge here. I think regular price is around $4 or $5. Let me see if it tells me. No, it doesn't tell me the price on this paper that they sent. But yeah, this is the one. I have to replace the one I have. I might get a couple more actually. But okay, so this is the haul. Let me open these things here so you guys can see the inside. Okay, so I opened it up. This is a solid, so yeah, you just wet your brushes and then you wash them in here. I never really use these. I have something else though that I do have, but you know, you can always wet your brush, rub it onto here, get some of that onto your brush, and then use this to wash your brush on it. That's what it's for. But here is the Tahitian vanilla bean that I had been wanting and I had been looking for. Guess what? Today I went to Walmart and they actually had a whole bunch of them. I should have recorded it so I could have added it here, but I didn't because I wasn't going to be doing a video from Walmart today. I was picking up some other things. And of course, we have to check these aisles. At least I do. Every time. It's like a happiness like to go there. It's a car driving by. And I tried smelling it, friends, but guess what? Because of the scent of this, and this has a good scent actually, I feel like I'm getting this scent mixed in there. And it's so slippery on the outside. So I feel like I can attest to the scent of this right here, right now. I know a lot of people have said that they don't really get a scent from it, which, you know what, it's okay. The product itself still works really, really well. So I'm going to use it up, and hopefully once I use it, we can see if I can actually get the scent, if it has any scent at all, once I'm in the shower. Now this one here, the Tree Hachette Sugar Scrub Eucalyptus Blossom. I love anything that has eucalyptus in it. I just do. I can smell the eucalyptus in this one because eucalyptus is stronger. So I can smell it. It's not super strong, but to me, it is good. So I am so excited to have this one. Yeah. So that is all that I have for you guys today. Happy Saturdays to you guys, and I hope that you guys have a good rest of your weekend. I hope that I'm feeling better tomorrow. As of right now, my neck is still stiff. My left arm where I got my vaccine hurts so much I can't lift it. So I can't comb my hair, and I'm not gonna even try doing my makeup. But I'll show you my face right now. All right, friends, this is me. This is what I'm willing to show. Well, this is how I went to Walmart, and I decided to come, and I had this out here in my garage, and I was like, let me just do the quick video to show them what's in the box, and actually for us to see what was it that caused such a mess to that box. I'll let you guys know what Ulta tells me. Obviously, I hope they replace that whole bottle. The other stuff I'm not complaining about, but just the bottle that obviously doesn't have any of the product in it. Let me see. This one right here doesn't have anything. Everything is gone. Everything is on the box. So yeah. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for clicking on my video again. I love you guys, and stay blessed, my friends, and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye.